In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change account on Monopoly Go. So if you would like to do the same as well, let's go ahead and launch our Monopoly Go application. Now, if you're logged into your Facebook account and then if you would like to change it, you can either do via this page or here is even a simpler method. Head over to your settings application, scroll all the way below and tap on apps. Here you have to search for Monopoly Go. Tap onto it, scroll all the way below, tap storage. Simply clear the data. And before clearing the data, just know that you will have to re-log into your Monopoly Go account. So if you would like to continue, tap delete. Now wait for this to load and launch your Monopoly Go application. And as you clear the data, it will start all over again. It will give you an opportunity to re-log into your Monopoly Go account via Facebook or Google account if applicable. Here, go ahead, tap on Play with Friends. And then you can go ahead, connect your Facebook account again. This is how you can change your account on Monopoly Go.